Oh, come on, you pen, right! Oh, what's going on? Is someone crying?
No, I can't do this.
Sammy? What's going on?
I like that animated movie. Inside Out, so much. I've seen it 10 times and got bored.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
And I can't meet the characters in person.
Why don't we make the characters then? We'll do it in the shape of pens, so it's not just a souvenir but a useful thing.
Sue, you're a genius. We need to make sure we use the best materials available. Cannonball. This doesn't work for us, and this too. Whoa.
Well, did you find something?
Now, that's what I call high-end stuff. Here you go.
And you found these high-end materials in the trash bin, huh? Alrighty.
Yeah, so what emotion would that be?
One of the cutest to me, sadness.
Really cool. Aww. She is adorable.
Now how can we get these pieces together?
Good question, Sue. Actually, I might know someone who can help us with that. Got any ideas, pal? Oopsie. What about you? Okie dokie. Such a crybaby. Ooh, don't touch me. They're much nicer in the movie.
I heard you're looking for a solution. Try gum.
That's right, gum. Why didn't I think of that? Here's all the gum I could find. Now chewing time.
I meant something like glue or duct tape. Why didn't you bring this, Sammy?
Well, gum tastes better.
Is that your reason? We're not gonna use that anyway.
What a waste of gum.
Okay, now we need to carefully tape it all up. We need something like this. Now this is going to be the legs. But we need something for the head too.
Sam got the ball. Ball in the field. The fans roar.
Sammy!
It's time for my super kick.
Sam, no!
Here it goes. Whoa. Huh?
Oh, my tibby-dabba!
Oh no, you crushed the ball.
Oh no, I'm sorry, Sue. I ruined everything.
Don't worry, I got a spare one.
What? You should have just said so.
Right, I'm sorry. Look how well it fits in here. So, are you ready to help me with the craft?
The best ice cream in town.
Hi, can I have one, please?
One yummy ice cream. Coming right up.
Hey, Sammy, what are you doing?
Nothing special. I am just selling yummy ice cream here.
That's a weird-looking ice cream, you know. Where did you get it?
I'm glad you asked. I found it right in the trash. Lucky, right?
What? Were you gonna feed me a trash glue?
No, of course not. It's just a misunderstanding.
Well, it's for the best. I needed that craft glue anyway. I will leave the glue to dry, and in the meantime, I'll carefully work this up a bit. We need to form the base for Sadness's head. Sammy, could you pass me some clay? It was over there.
Here, the best clay you've ever seen. Come on, grab it.
I don't know if it's that good. Let's see. Why is it so stiff?
Gotcha, it's just gum. This is hilarious. Here's some real clay for you. I've already rolled it.
Oh, you little prankster. Let's get to the head. First, we need to wrap the base around with some blue clay. Okay, now we can start sculpting the face.
Everybody was capoeira fighting. Hi-ya! Hey, give it back. I want to become a capoeira master.
Sorry, Sammy, but you can practice after we're done with the craft. Deal?
Oh, well, my dreams are over. You broke my little slime heart.
No, you can't fool me. Give me those sad eyebrows of yours.
Okay. You got me there, Sue.
I knew you were trying to prank me again, Sammy. I know you too well. All right, now let's add the eyes. There you go. Here comes the other one. Nice. Next, we need to pick a hairstyle. Voila, look how cool it turned out. So detailed.
Wow, I want a new hairstyle too. Oops, my granny's hair doesn't work for me. No! That's better. I'm gonna go show this off.
And I will deal with clothing for our sadness. For the pants, I want to use this dark blue clay. There we go. It's kind of chill in here. We'd better make a sweater. I even made a special pattern on the clay to make it super warm and cozy. And we'll turn up the edge so our sadness doesn't get cold. There you go.
Hey, Susie, do you need a hand?
Good one. And yeah, I very much do. Thank you. That's it. We're almost there.
Hey, why is my vision blurry? This is much better.
These are not your glasses, Sammy. Well, what do you say about our first craft?
Oh, I can't believe she's here at last. Hi, Sadness. Ew, what is that? Disgusting.
And that's just the emotion we'll be doing next. Beautiful disgust. To do that, we need to cut a plastic bottle this way. See?
Ugh, it stinks. Why won't that thing come off?
Oh, that's just what I need.
What's going on?
Now, let's wrap our bottle with this tape, just like we did for sadness. There, we got a skirt for disgust. And this piece will serve as her neck. Sammy, where are you? Come here, help me! Huh? Sammy? What is wrong with you?
Oh, this is hilarious. You should see your face, Sue.
Stop that, Sammy! You're interrupting my crafts!
So you don't want to do a craft together?
Oh no, wait, Sammy.
Sue doesn't need me anymore.
I'm sure that you misunderstood. Sue meant for you to help her.
Oh, so what are we waiting for? Let's do this. Almost there. Sue, look what I brought you.
Thank you! Your help is what I was really missing, Sammy. Okay, we've got the head. It's time to work on the face. I'll use this special tool again to shape the eyes. It's important to do them well. And here comes the nose.
No one will recognize me.
Hey, who are you? What can I do for you?
I need a pass for Inside Out Part 2. I couldn't get the ticket before the sold out.
I see. That'll cost you one, big lollipop.
There you go. Now, give me my ticket.
Freeze! That's illegal ticket sales.
Oh, it was nice meeting you.
Busted, Sammy! Uh-oh! What do we have here? What? Hair?
It was my disguise, I mean. It was a joke, Sue.
Well, at least we've got the hair! I'm kinda tired from all the emotions. What about the dress?
What is it, Susie?
Can you help with the dress, Sam?
Sure, in a jiffy.
In the meantime, I'll take care of the rest.
I'll make the coolest dress ever. Alrighty, where was that magic cloth? Now the spell. Abracadabra. Whoosh! All done. You can take it, Sue.
What, really? Wow, I can't believe it.
I even made her a scarf. Did you notice?
Yes, and it's great. You really have an eye for detail.
You bet.
Now we just need to put everything together. Here comes the head on a pencil. And we're done.
Finally, she looks amazing. I'm gonna go get Sadness.
And I'm going to test our craft.
Would you just look at them, friends? These two look so real, right? Great job, Susie.
Aw, thank you, Sammy. And you did a great job helping me. I couldn't have done it without you. Give us a thumbs up if you agree, friends. And if you like our crafts from today, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon!
Bye-bye,